the fruit of tree in the garden, except the tree of knowledge of good and evil. If you eat this fruit, you are sure to die. When you eat it, your eyes will be open and you will be like God, knowing good and evil. Eat of every tree in the garden except the tree of knowledge of good and evil. If you eat this fruit, you are sure to die. Look, the human beings have become like us, knowing both good and evil. What if they reach out, take the fruit from the tree of life and eat it? Then they will live forever. Henceforth, you are banished from this garden. You can no longer step your feet into this garden. Be gone.
Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. So the drama that you just saw was a depiction of why Jesus came, the reason for his death, and what was achieved after his death. Adam and Eve came and disobeyed God, which was the epical of what we have today. That's the reason our nature was destroyed. They lost the nature, but Jesus did not stop there. He wanted a redemption for them. And you saw him take off his attire and join them. And the same people that he came to save were the ones that turned around to hit him, beat him up, and nail him to the cross. While we were yet sinners, he died for us. Praise the Lord. So that is why we celebrate Easter. He is risen. Because of his resurrection, we have our foundation of salvation. We can go to him boldly. We can enter into the throne of grace boldly and declare the good works of the Lord. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you were blessed.